Hey guys, in today's video I will be working with pre-made 0.07 thickness volume fans. Let's get started. As usual, you already know that I like to start by sanitizing my hands and applying the eye patches for my guest. In the first clip, you probably noticed that she does have a prominent brow structure and very deep set eyes. Once we have already primed the eye area, I will let the natural lashes air out, and then I will start mapping out the eye area. As the title mentions, I am going to be using pre-made volumes in 0.7 thickness, which will provide a very lightweight, semi-natural volume feel. For this specific guest, I will be using the lengths in 14, 13, and 12s. And this is obviously going to be a doll eye. And this is going to be in a C curl. Once we are done with the mapping, then we will be able to start applying the eyelash extensions. If you notice, I am moving from one block to the other. You want to make sure that you allow the extensions to cure, otherwise they will be getting stuck to the lashes next to them, especially if they are volumes. For the tweezers, I am using my absolute favorite mini curved. As you guys already know that I always use these for lashing. I love working with them because they have a curved tip which allows me to isolate in a precise manner, and the thin stem lets me grip the tweezers without forcing my hand. For picking up volumes, you already know Chiquiticas, now named Foxy 2.0, are my favorite. As you can tell in the videos, this is another tweezer that you will see me working with most of the time. You can definitely get these tweezers at www.FabuPRO.com, and if you use code ZULY10, ZULY10, you will receive a 10% discount on your order. I would love to talk more about the 3D pre-made volumes in the 0.07, which you can also get in our website, so you can go check them out. These have become very popular at our salon. Our clients' base consists on many businesswomen, moms, ladies who are always on the go, and they absolutely love these extensions because this is something that they will be able to wear daily without being way too overwhelming for the eye area or too dark. Once we reach the end and you see the final result, you will notice how thin and lightweight these extensions are and how somehow they provide a more natural volume. The pre-made fans are, as their name says it, pre-made, all by hand, and to tell you the truth, this saves my day and allows me to cut on half of the time of my appointment because it takes a lot of time for you to build fans. So obviously this just makes it a ton easier for me. I honestly feel like they look great and they feel great as well. You can really feel the base of the lash when you kind of touch them. They feel very natural. Now back to the topic, remember to check on the lashes every now and then to make sure that they are not stuck. One way that you can do that is by brushing them out with the mascara wand. If you feel that the brush gets stuck, this means that there is something attached. If the brush goes through, then that means you are good and there is nothing stuck. One great trick that our students love is to lift the lashes in check. A lot of the unlashed lashes should come out and allow you to see them better. Here is a comparison of the eye that has been lashed versus the eye without extensions, and you can tell that it does make a great difference. Once you are done, remember to apply the activators so that the lashes last longer, and you can definitely remove the eye patches. As always, let us know what you thought about this video. Feel free to ask any questions and tell us your struggles. Who knows, we might be creating a video on it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you guys are notified whenever we post another video.